dead or is she alive? He a dead man walking, shoot him between the eyes, penalized. You know the rules, nigga. Word up. I don't wanna talk to those who talk about who talking. You niggas talk too much. God forbid if they call him. Shit is crazy, man. Hold on, let me talk. I ain't never ride with bricks in the fender. I grind fish in the blender. These niggas hide behind hidden agendas. Skip the dilemmas and politics, get to the cheddar. I ain't never met a bitch that's forever. They do not exist. Money came and went, but I told them, when it comes you go. It's all about what you know. Never get comfortable. Flying out of town, hit the ground where it doesn't snow. Staying out the mist when it hits. Niggas love a show. Only if I could keep us together, we'll be A1. You switching phones, but you still empty the same gun. The game's done, I shouldn't have to tell him. He gon' act like he dead, I won't Machiavell him. Top of the morning, I get ready for night. And you ain't never gotta visit me, send me a kite. The big semi is light, get the Henny and nice. Nothing to talk about, I get petty and shice, nigga. Is he dead or is she alive? He a dead man walking, shoot him between the eyes, penalized. You know the rules, nigga. Word up. I don't wanna talk to those who talk about who talking. You niggas talk too much. God forbid if they call him. Shit is crazy, man. Yeah. Hold on, let me talk. Avoid the audience. Too many niggas around for nothing. Foul corruption. They'll sleep with your lady and drown the hustling. Now they lustin'. Asleep like a baby when prowlers rushing. Now that's an abduction that you don't want suchin'. I've been in my bag, thinking out the box. You been in the way. Ring 'em out as ox. If she on booth, then we on play. Leave her in the lock. Taylor Seuss won't see the day. Until I'm in the box, I drop a shell, I won't leave it. See, I'm a God-fearing man. Despite war going to hell, I don't see it. If I wrote a book about my life, would you read it? Yeah. Don't wait till I'm completed. That's usually the format now. Love changes until you become famous. Won't none of that shit change us. We came up.